Good evening. It's 163 Charlie Tango 1059. Location is the British Mountains, South Wales, and the date is Saturday, the 13th of August 2016. It's Channel 30 DXNet tonight. Every Saturday night from about 9 o'clock onwards on Channel 30. I've only just got set up. It's 10 past 9 at the moment. We've just got the antenna up and we've called in. Got the Antron 99 up tonight on top of two 8-foot scaffold poles. I've seen this one before, but it's the old tilt over drive on mount. Tonight is the old Midlands Allen 78 Plus multiband. It's got the UK 40 FM and the mid-block 40 channels FM and AM. Power supply tonight to run this little radio, 4-watt radio, is the 7-amp hour 12-volt lead acid battery. Costs about £15.
We'll go over to where you're there. Ian, copy.
Yeah, no problems at all there, Nigel. Good evening.
Yeah, very good evening to you, Ian. Well, another beautiful day, but quite sad there, Ian, to see that the old evenings are giving in. Oh, no. And, well, I was told, Gary told me it was Bridport Carnival next weekend, and then whenever Bridport Carnival is, you always start getting the dark nights around about 9 o'clock. So, what a great shame there, Ian. They seem to move in pretty fast this year, Rod.
Yeah, understood there, Nigel. Yes, I must admit it's always a shame when the evenings draw in, but I must admit I used to take part in a competition at the Hereford Jump Club that I learned to jump at, and that always took place over the August bank holiday weekend, and I quite liked the timing because it used to start getting dark about 8 o'clock in the evening. So it meant that we couldn't really carry on jumping beyond about 8:30 if the skies were clear, and it meant then that you had a chance then to bag your kit up and sort of freshen up and then hit the bar, and you weren't sort of burning the candle at both ends, shall we say? And yeah, I thought that was a reasonable balance. But yes, I do take your point.
Yeah, Roger on that. I have been listening close there tonight, Ian, just in case. Our old mate down in Taunton, he said if he remembered the radio tonight, he might come on and give us a shout there. That Mr. Kingfisher. We haven't heard anything yet, but he might be there. You never know. He could be listening. So, yeah, how's all the family keeping there, Ian? Okay.
It's 9:40 at the moment. It's got dark. Now, in the sky, the moon is beautiful tonight, but right in front of me, I've got Saturn, Mars. Can't quite see Antares at the moment, so there's a bit of cloud cover, but it's a fairly clear sky tonight. So, what the plan is, I've got the telescope in the back of the car. It's 200mm by 1200mm reflector telescope. So I'm going to whip that out the car, assemble it, because it's going to take half hour, 40 minutes to climatise. But I'm going to have a good look at Saturn, and if I can get it to focus in, I'll get it in the video. Bit of CW on channel 30 UK FM.
Oh, well, luck you, Ian. I don't know where I was calling in.
No, that's a good question. Anyway, many thanks for that, Brian and Ray. Tom, it's your shout. Well, do you want to call him in, because I didn't hear anything?
Is that okay, Maud?
Well, give them a call, see if there's anyone out there.
Any curious guys on the side of Channel 30 for the Saturday Night Net? Let's come back with Handel, Personal, Rough QTH. We're listening. Now there's somebody, but it's K-Mod here.
Yeah, understood on that. It can be difficult to tell, but it's always worth trying, Alan. Okay, many thanks. Okay, QT then, Brian.
Yeah, okay, I'll come back to you for a moment. Earlier on, when I came out, that was quite early, we had Older on. I said, oh no, I'm not going to have that, but didn't you know more?
Yeah, I understood on that. I have heard a few squeaks and squawks from Olga this evening, but luckily that's all it was. So yeah, no, didn't come to anything significant, but just enough to make you aware that she's not far below the horizon.
Yes, she was knocking the door but couldn't get in. Thank goodness.
Yeah, roger that. Well, that's the way I like it from her.
Yeah, there we are. I won't be about tomorrow afternoon.
Saturday night net's going well, but I've been outside the car most of the night. Been looking through the old telescope, but been looking at Saturn, and absolutely beautiful view tonight. And only see one of the moons, Titan, which is the biggest and brightest one.
That wasn't done, don't know why. So we went to another one then after, and that one was on, but it didn't start at 1 o'clock. Yeah, the one we had down here on a Saturday starts at 2. Yes, well, I think it go to as well in Cardiff, so yeah, quite a few around, and went over Preston Marrack way, we are ventured over there now and again. That's right, this mic's still playing off. I might have to get it rewired by Wednesday. Oh. And Tony's not about? Isn't he? Not till Wednesday, so well, he can do it till then. On the sheet tonight. I think you are, right? Perhaps him all watching these games. Well, there's been a few on us, but they've been dropping out, and there we are. And the net has started up on 3-2 now, so perhaps a few have got up there. When are you going to do your run in? I already done it, Bernard. Didn't you see me on the other night? I got a problem with it. I wasn't